In this particular video, I'm going to show you a simple website that you can make at least $10 every single day by just watching YouTube videos. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this channel, we are talking about how to make money online, blogging tutorial, mining and airdrops, anything related to make money online. So that is what I am publish here. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe, and the most important thing, turn on the bell notification in order to get notified every time I upload a new video. So without more delay of your time, let's dive into the tutorial. So before we continue to the video, I need you to give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate that, because YouTube will push it to more people and they will benefit from it. So as you can see here at the top of this particular website, the name of this website is payouts.video. So we can use this particular website to make money for ourselves by just watching YouTube videos. So as you can see, this is the interface of this particular website. Earn money watching videos, get paid for viewing short videos. This is the easiest way to make money online. So start earning, and the minimum payout is $0.5 and the payment is automatic. So all you have to do is to find your smartphone with a good data connection, then you are good to go to make money online in this particular website by just watching YouTube videos. So what you're going to do, if you just enter this particular website, you can just click on this start earning here. So don't forget, I'm going to leave the link of this particular website in the description of this video. Then you can click on it. It will take you to this particular interface. Then you can just enter your email, password, and then click on this I'm not a robot. Then you can just sign up. So I have already registered with this particular platform, so I'm going to go ahead and log into my account. So as you can see right here, this is my dashboard in this particular website. I have just registered and I have just viewed 14 videos yesterday, and today I have just watched 2 videos, and you have earned $0.003 right here in my dashboard. So what you are going to do, if you have just registered in this particular website, you see those 3 dots here. You can just click on this particular 3 dots right here, click on it, and then you see YouTube here. So click on this particular YouTube section. It's going to load up. So you see it right here, YouTube gets paid for viewing short videos on YouTube, and then you can watch up to 250 videos per hour and up to 900 videos per day. New videos appear every hour. The limit is reset at 21 GMT. So what we are going to do, you can just click on this watch video. So it's going to load up. So as you can see right here, you can just watch this video for only 20 seconds. So let me play it. So as you can see, our time is running here. So here I have 1000 videos available that I may watch right now. As you can see, I have just watched 2 out of this 1000 and the time was finished right now. So boom, as you can see right here, your bill has been counted. You have got $0.002 to your account balance. So you can just click on next video. So this one is 10 seconds. So let me play it. So time is running. So if you are enjoying this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, give it a like. I'm really appreciate that. So this one too was done. Your bill has been counted. You have got $0.001 to your account balance. So you can just click on next video. So this is the easiest ways that you can make money by just watching YouTube videos online. And the best part of this website, the minimum withdrawal is $0.05. So don't forget, I'm going to leave the link of this particular website in the description of this video, so you can just click on it, register and start making money right now. So what you're going to do if you want to withdraw what you have accumulated in this particular website, you see at the bottom of this particular website you see payout here. So click on this payout section. So as you can see right here, you can withdraw BFAE, ADB cash, Tron, which is TRX, and so those are the payment methods that you can use to withdraw what you have accumulated in this website. And they have referral section. You see it right here. So this is referral section, so you can invite your family and friends to this particular website. So affiliate program, invite new users and get a lifetime 28 to 4% from their earning. So I have not referred anybody. So this is the new website that I have just registered with. So don't forget, I'm going to leave the link of this particular website in the description of this video, and don't forget to join my Telegram channel. The link also is going to be in the description of this video, because in this particular Telegram channel we share more ideas, tips and tricks that will help you to make more money on the internet. So that is for today, guys. If you are getting value from this video, subscribe to your boys channel. The most important thing, turn on the bell notification, so in order to get more amazing content like this. See you in my next video. Peace out.